Start by importing your model into SIwave. You can import IPC2581, ODB++, or EDB file. And we have other formats, but we prefer the first two, which is IPC2581 and ODB++, because we understand them, we can control them better. Once you do that, launch the PI wizard. Select your power plane. Add ports, minimum 2 ports. Configure. Validate to make sure that there are no problems with the model. Say OK. And now we go and we simulate launch and go to the PI Advisor. So here we specified that we would like to see the impedance from the CPU side, and this is the VRM side. So you enter the output impedance of the VRM. These are numbers, you can get them from the data sheet. And here you specify the spec. So I can add a row. For example, this is from 1E-4 to 100 meg, and the target is 0.1. And now we see the spec. I can add more, for example, from 100 to 500, and let it be 0.25. And we go next. Now you select which capacitors we are allowed to change, whether to change or remove, because the PI Advisor only remove capacitors or change their values. So we go next. Here you select a group of caps, and you come here, for example, you select Murata, select, let's say, GRM3, 1, then you select them all. Now, I selected these 3 and I selected these ones. If I say assign selected candidates, it means 4 these 3 can be replaced by any one of these ones, or it can be removed. Then I go to the next one. For example, I select this whole group and I say I want them to be from GRM 18 and let's say 15. Again, you can select more criteria here. If you're happy with the list, you selected all of them or small number of them. But the moment you click assign selected candidates, then all of these will be used to optimize these ones. So you see here, you specify which are your criteria: total number of capacitors, total number of capacitor types, or total capacitor area. Let's say, for example, we just want the first 2. And this is the sweep. Again, same step numbers and same range. You say OK, and we are ready to launch. Once you get a solution, you can go and view the schemes, and you will have so many solutions. If you select any one of them, you will see the final response, which is the impedance seen from the CPU.